Hi! Karon kay may balik na pud ko. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat for always being there kaning mga tawo nga busy ug kaon, not just as a colleague but as a companion sa trabaho. From the simple moments to the challenging times, you've made work so much easier and enjoyable. Salamat kayo for always supporting me and guiding me through it all. I'm grateful for the panag-uban nato and I look forward to more good times together. Even when we don't have much time together, we may not have all day to talk, but the time we do have feels like a lifetime's worth of memories. Whether it's laughing over small things or getting through tough days together, mga iyak o mga katawa. I really having no, I really appreciate having you as a companion sa trabaho. Salamat kayo for everything.